By default, whenever we create a channel, we're going to have conversations. And this is the area in which we can have those informal conversations back and forth. I can say, hello, everyone. Right? I can post something very quickly. Hey, these are the things we want to do. If I want it to be a little bit more formal, if there are things that I wanted to call out, I could actually click on this little A with the pen next to it. This allows me to give it a subject. So then I can go through, I can put in bulleted, I can put in bulleted list, I can do any formatting that I want. I can post this, you will see that. Each of the things that I created at the bottom is a conversation in itself. And this is one of the other key tips. But the value of having this in the contextually aware is that you make sure you have the conversations and replies within the conversation. We see this quite often. In fact, the engineering team is currently working at ways in which we can make this more prevalent to people. But a lot of people, especially as we get through more and more elements, they will go through and they will go to this box at the bottom for every time they want to type a reply. And that's going to start a new conversation. If you are replying to someone's topic or you're replying to an element, what you want to use is the reply at the end of that. This will make sure that your reply gets into that threaded conversation. So now that is something that is contextually aware to the original conversation that I posted.